Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have an awesome weekend planned ahead of us. So we have a private training coming on at our hangar here. So we're heading over there today to work on our private training. And then also tomorrow in the morning time, we have been invited to be the detailers over at the Billionaire Boys car show, which is being put on by the Rockets organization, which we did some work for them a few months ago. So we are trying to work our network and everything like that, and we've been invited to do some detailing and marketing and everything like that, and networking at their car show. So we're going to be doing that as well, and finishing up this private 3-day training class this weekend. Let's go.
Hey there, fellow aviators and detailers. Welcome to my channel, The Plane Detailer, where we embark on an incredible journey around the globe, diving deep into the art of aircraft detailing. I'm Brandon, owner of Sparrowhawk Houston and a proud trainer for the Aviation Detailing Association, known as the ADA. Join me as we explore the world of aviation and I share tips, tricks, and techniques to keep these antique beauties in pristine condition. Let me be your guide as we go about preserving these magnificent flying machines that are truly pieces of art. So buckle up and hit that subscribe button to follow along on this adventure. Let's preserve the legacy of these aircraft together, one detail at a time.
So day one of our training classes, we're always usually going over interior detailing and everything like that. Kind of walking you through step by step on how we would do a detail, start to finish, if you're kind of doing everything from interior, exterior, de-ice boots, bright work polishing, everything like that. So we're kind of walking students through step by step like that and getting everything dialed in. So this is going to be day one of our training class, and then we're going to have a fun 3 days with our students here.
All the different components and parts of the aircraft that we need to know, identify, all that kind of stuff. So let's start with the nose first. Now, this one does not have a spinner on it, but if you notice on that 172 over there, you see how there's a blue cone?
Saturday morning at the Rockets organization here in Landry by the Tillman Skater Group. Caleb out here wiping out some of the cars as they're pulling up here. And it's going to be a great time. Everyone's Hey guys, we are at the Billionaire Boys car event here, hosted by Landry and the Rockets organization. It's a really cool organization here. We got the whole Corvette club and the whole Lotus club and all of Koso's Motors. So big shout out to Koso's Motors for letting us come out here. I'll give a hand. We got Caleb over here wiping down some of the cars and everything like that. Make sure everybody looks good here for the event. Yeah, I know, huh? makes sense.
That's that one right there. ZR1.
Gonna use your chair. Go for it.
Okay. I realized like how when they said they had out of bed, like how it seems pretty comfy.
Passengers, okay.
After the car show, we're back to working with our students here where we're doing our bright work polishing on the leading edge of our Gulfstream here. This is a great tool for the students to really practice and hone in their skills on before they practice on a real aircraft. Then we're going to work on an exterior detail, decontamination of the paint to remove parasitic drag, and then we're going to work on a paint enhancement of this aircraft as well, so students get first real-world experience on how to enhance the oxidized paint that is on this 172. Afterwards, we're going to take them to a real live aircraft where they can do an interior and exterior detail followed by the de-ice boots as well, so they get proper experience on what a real life situation looks like.